How to add music to a Facebook post. Hi everyone, today in this quick tutorial we are going to show you how we can add music on our Facebook post so we can make our content more engaging and fun. So let's just get started with the video. First of all, head over and open up the Facebook app on your mobile device. This feature is only available on the app, not on the desktop, so just go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your mobile device. After that, after you have entered, you can find this what's on your mind field at the top of your newsfeed or timeline to create a new post. Just go ahead and tap on it. And you may just scroll down to the options below and select music. Otherwise, you can select a photo or video first. Just go ahead and select one. And after you're done selecting, you can go ahead and tap on the picture to find the music icon. So when you go ahead and click on it, you can find the music icon at the top beside the tag option. Just go ahead and tap on it. And you may just scroll down to the options and a library of songs will appear. So you may just go ahead and browse through the categories or use the search bar to find the specific song. And then you may just go ahead and tap on a song to preview it and select it to add to your post. For example, I'm choosing this one right here. Now, you can combine the music with the photo or video or text if you've already. If you've already, you may just do it. And here are different options available. You may just adjust this music to the favorite part of the song you want. And you can apply lyrics as well, like the fonts of the lyrics. And after everything is done, after you're happy with what everything looks like and sounds, just go ahead and tap on done and wait for the processing to be completed. After that, go ahead and tap on next and post it on your Facebook. And that is it. That is how you add music to your Facebook post, which is very super easy and can make your post stand out. So just try it out and let us know in the comments if it works or not. And if you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more social media tips.